Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can be removing your card from Mailchimp. With that for, let's start with the tutorial. So first of all, I will need you, of course, to log into your account. Now, adding a card is very essential in Mailchimp the moment you start buying stuff in it. For example, when you create your account and you start a free trial, or basically when you get a premium version. All of these things require you to add your card so you can get the payment. So what you will need to do is go to your account and billing. So in my case, I have free plan. You could go to billing and you will have billing information. Now, in this area, you will find every single payment method that you have. In my case, I don't have one, so because I didn't pay for anything, but in yours, you will have your payment method right here with your credit card. So what you will need to do is to click on edit, and once you will find here your payment method, make sure to click on it, and a button right here will be showing that says remove or delete. Make sure to click on it, and your credit card will be deleted after you confirm a couple of steps. Now, make sure that you do that before you pay for the next month, because in case you had payments for next month, well, the payment will proceed. Also, in case you had the yearly plan, then that doesn't really matter in case you want it to be cut off, because the yearly plan will get paid in the beginning of the moment that you bought it in, so you will pay the whole year in it, and that will not be cancelled if you remove the card. It will be processed anyway. So your money will be locked in their bank account, so you can't refund it. So this is how you can delete your card. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next video.